Since it's been so dry, I've resorted to moving this little sprinkler around various places in the garden to give everything a really good drink. I've been watering every night, but it just hasn't had a good soaking. So I figured if I do this off and on today, then the whole area will get a really good solid drink. That pesky groundhog ate another squash last night. I didn't picked it, but he also bit into a young one that's starting to grow. It's very annoyed with him right now. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I can fence this area off, because I've got a lot of squashes coming on and they're not gonna be his dinner. I saw he was munching on my peas as well, so I just put these here quickly. I'm gonna have to figure this whole area out tonight. So I'm sure I have things around. What a boar, a little monkey. I put cages over the squash last night, and it looks like it worked. With enough of a deterrent to keep the little monkey out. This is great. Looks like we got a really good crop of drying beans. These are not meant for eating fresh. This is a drying bean. Can't get out of my own shadow. There they are. This is one of the beans I got from the Native Seed Company in Tucson, Arizona. I'll look it up. Boy, is that pretty. I found it. Definitely worth growing. Very pretty. This isn't bad. I just spent about 20 minutes, and yeah, that's not bad. That's probably a good bowl of soup right there, or a pot of soup. So I think we're going to have a really good crop of beans this year. What a beautiful day. I really wish I could just sit here in the garden all day, but have to pay the bills, so need to go to work. Fortunately, I work from home, and I just can take some breaks and I'll come out later today. But the garden still looks pretty good for being late September. Still eating from the garden. Peppers, just part of the squash the groundhog didn't eat, and corn. Photo tip: looking for images that are alike. Put a collection together. In this case, I have a series of blue jean pictures on the clothesline, old patches. Just have fun with it. Look for things that are alike.